I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea glass easy guide. Start by selecting a heat-proof glass and your tea of choice, then boil or heat water to the recommended temperature for that tea. Measure steeping time with a timer and place leaves or bag in the glass. Keep a lid or coaster to retain heat while steeping, and prepare sweeteners or milk to add after you strain or remove the tea bag. Choose quality tea and clean tools before you start, and set up a comfortable workspace. Heat water to the appropriate temperature for your tea type, and pre-warm the glass to avoid cracking. Measure leaves or tea bags carefully so the flavor stays balanced, and keep a timer handy to prevent oversteeping. A fine strainer or infuser helps separate leaves when serving, and small spoons let you add precise sweetener amounts. Warm your glass briefly with hot water, then add the measured tea and pour heated water over it. Start the timer for the suggested steeping length and watch the color develop, tasting at the end if you like. Remove the tea bag or strain the leaves to avoid bitterness, then add sweetener or milk if desired. Serve gently to preserve aroma and enjoy the clear glass presentation that showcases the tea's color and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.